Hey, I'm Julianne. I'm the founder of Loving the Breath. I'm wondering, do you may easily get overwhelmed or suffer from stress and anxiety? Do you feel exhausted far too often? Maybe have panic attacks or can't drop that negative monkey mind? Do you use drink or drugs to suppress your emotions? Maybe your mind's foggy and you just can't get focused. Or maybe you can't find, struggling to find your true path in life. We all respond uniquely to these challenges in life, but there's one common denominator. All of us, either consciously or subconsciously, control our breath in order to not feel life's pain. Society teaches us to numb our emotions in order to keep our feelings safe. And this works temporarily, but it's not really a long-term solution to these reoccurring issues. But do you know what is? Changing the way that we breathe. Yeah, we can permanently integrate unresolved mental and emotional issues by unlocking unconscious breathing patterns. 95% of the time we're not even aware that we've got dysfunctional breathing until we lie down and we're observed by a breath expert like myself. We have all evolved dysfunctional breathing patterns as a safety mechanism to suppress our emotions, and I can help you to use your breath to bypass this safety mechanism and feel free, because we don't need it any longer. If you'd like to learn about this, and you can come and join me in Macclesfield next Sunday, the 3rd of July, where I'll be explaining what is unique about Loving the Breath, what this breathwork's all about, how it works, how we do it, how I can read your unique breathing pattern, what is a unique breathing pattern, how to unlock dysfunctional breathing, why we use bodywork and breath to integrate trauma. There'll be a demonstration and some of the science behind breathwork, and then we'll have a fully facilitated 50-minute session, after which I hope you're going to feel lighter and brighter and happier and more connected. You can join me and discover how to get more mental focus, let go of stress and anxiety with ease, learn how to connect directly to source energy, and fill yourself with the loving, graceful beauty of your own breath, and how to cope with the crap that life throws at us, and how to drink from that nectar of goodness that's all around us. So this Macclesfield Beginners Workshop is on Sunday the 3rd of July. It's 2 till 4 p.m. at Pure Yoga Cheshire, Charlotte Street in Macclesfield. There's free and easy Sunday parking on Pickford Street, just across the road. Everyone is really welcome. You can get your tickets on Eventbrite or in my bio or in this post. I hope to see some beautiful people there.